Hi everyone, I am Nisarg Shah, a practice director with Everest Group's Life Sciences R&D service practice. I'm joined with Shreya. Shreya, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Shreya and I closely follow the R&D software and services space.
Sure. So, of late, we released an assessment called the Innovation Watch for AI in Clinical Development. We're hearing a lot about AI, the potential of AI, as well as there seems to be a lot of chatter around the potential of this technology. So, we thought of doing a brief video about what we're seeing in the space, hearing from both the demand side as well as the supply side. So, Shreya, given that you were the lead analyst for that assessment I mentioned before, help me understand, right? What are your thoughts about AI? Is the industry getting more serious about this, or do you think it's just another next shiny object?
Uh, Nisarg, I think the industry is definitely getting more serious about AI and clinical development. And I say that because we're seeing a lot of investments in AI and we're seeing that through multiple routes. So we have we see enterprises building internal capabilities, partnering with technology and service providers, and also pursuing acquisitions to strengthen their AI maturity, right? And I think another signal is that AI is now also a top strategic priority in enterprise roadmaps. So we expect in the next 1 to 2 years for AI budgets to increase much more. But also having said that, I'll also say that currently it's not enterprises still expect it to provide much more value than what it is actually providing at that point. But I'll discuss that at a later point as well.
Sure. And what do you think, right? What are enterprises really looking for from their investments in AI in the next, say, 12 to 18 months?
Um, so I'd say so. One thing is, at the end of the day, enterprises want to bring therapies to market faster, right? And that is where they want AI to help them. So basically, helping them in reducing cost, improving quality, and while also maintaining compliance. So as you know, clinical development is currently burdened with long cycle times, some of them reaching up to 9 to 10 years. There's also a lot of fragmented data and document heavy processes. And this is where majority of AI investments are currently going. So if I could, I'll point out the three layers that I can think of here. Basically, all the AI investments are part of these three. First is the optimization and productivity. Then we have workflow and content automation. And the third is around decision intelligence and innovation. So I think when I talk about optimization and productivity, that is where we're seeing the most immediate adoption because the use cases here are easier to implement and they can deliver much quicker wins. So for example, using AI to reduce manual effort and human errors, and such as protocol and study document search, natural language interaction with clinical data, all of that. The next is around workflow and content automation, and this is slightly advanced but also a very practical area. So enterprises have started using AI to support regulatory document writing, submission document preparation. So these use cases have much potential because a lot of clinical operation work depends on the structured information and standard formats. And here, that is why we think this has great potential. And the third is around decision intelligence and innovation. And this is where AI can move beyond just efficiency and start improving the overall quality of clinical development decisions and bring in innovation. So here, some of the examples would be around protocol development and optimization, patient population analysis, site selection, forecasting, etc. So they are these use cases require more sophisticated models, integrated data sets, and also stronger trust in clinical and regulatory stakeholders. So they do have a lot of potential, but as I said, this will take more time because they'll take longer to scale as well.
Thank you for that. And it does look like AI is, in the initial stages of a long-term productivity cycle. We'll continue this conversation, so do watch out for the next video as well, where we discuss what it takes to get more out of your AI investments. And when in doubt, just reach out to either Shreya and I, and we're happy to help.